Well, it might be October, but here out in Arizona, we stay in the 70s, 80s, 90s, all the way into December and January. So we can still swim out here. It's really nice during the day. So we got a project we're working on. We got a couple of projects we're working on. We got a new pool heater down there that's electric heat pump. And we removed this one, this 18,000 BTU pool heater. But we have this that we added in right here. This is coming out of our pool pump. It's going through this hose right here, and it's going into one of our projects we're doing. And that is, we made a homemade solar pool heater. And this whole setup right here was less than $100 for me. These are normally 6 panels of this 24 inch by 24 inch by 6 mil corrugated plastic. It's normally $72, but I was able to pick it up for $19. So you can see we have our water collector coiled up in there, and I have it up at an angle, but you can see the tubing is already starting to move. So I'm gonna have to set that flat back down until I can get a piece of plywood or something to put behind there so that the bottom's sagging. And it's because I lifted it up. It's really not because it's on this high. It's because I lifted it up, but I'll show you that. I glued all that PVC together. And that is actually moving. But that is our project. So that comes in from over on the lawn here, comes in there, goes out, and goes over to our pool, and it goes on there. Right now I have it just going on top of the pool because it's around 72 degrees out right now. And it's around 75, 76 degrees because the pool water below is 84, 85 degrees. So we're kind of just throwing that on top to help heat it up a little bit, but we can actually put that into the pool instead of being on top. And we're just playing with it right now. But that's our project we have going right now, is this homemade pool heater. If you have sunshine, even in the wintertime, right now it's around 72 degrees out, and I was getting 104 degrees out of this at 72 degrees. So that's quite a big difference. The smaller the pool, the better the heat transfer will be on this. And I have a big pool. I have a 9,500 gallon pool, so I'm gonna actually do like 4 of these. 4 or 5 of these, and I could actually probably have them right there, across there, to where they're behind the pool and they're getting sun. Because in the wintertime, the sun's up here, and I get shade up to like right here and right there, but I have sun on this part right here. So I could actually take and have those going across there, and they'd be shade, or be in the sun in the wintertime. And I would probably in the wintertime have to wait until the sun has been up, maybe around 8, 9 o'clock, for it to start heating that tubing up. And then I could run it from like 8, 9 o'clock until 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon and be able to run that heat off that. And that's not costing anything extra. As long as your pool's running, it's not costing you anything to run that. Now I can run this at 2,000 RPMs, and it's 262 watts. And if I go up to 3,200, it goes up to over 900, 912. So it's 912 watts. So it almost triples on the amount of watts. But the water flow out of there is going to be faster coming out of there. So just depends on, I had that 4 speeds, 1,200, 2,000, 3,200, and 4,000. So it just depends on what speed you want to run it through there. Now, if I put 4 or 5 of those back there, I'm going to have to run that at 3,200 because I got to push all that water through that 1/2-inch tubing, inside diameter tubing. So I'll need to go up to a higher speed. But right now, I'd probably be better off going with a 2,000 RPMs, just going on a 1 or 2 of those. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you my new project I'm working on. And like I said, I think that was maybe around 110 bucks for everything that I paid for. So pretty inexpensive to do. And I will try and show you that a little bit better on when I'm building it, try and do some pictures or videos of it. Pretty much it. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you would like to collaborate, you can contact me at DIYSolarGuy1@gmail.com and let me know about a collaboration. Something to do with off-grid solar, pool pumps, pool heaters, pool covers, and then RV. I'm doing, I have a mini split in the RV. I have mini splits on the house and regular air conditioners, and then I have mini split in the RV, and I'm going to be putting a off-grid solar system in there with portable solar panels. So if you'd like to contact me about collaborating with any of that stuff, please do. Hope you have a truly wonderful and extremely blessed day. Links are in the description, and any current coupon codes would be in the channel description. Have a blessed day.